I'm going to send in the puppies and the puppies, and it's for none other than I have this puppy and the chuppy. Yes.
Last time I heard you, there was so much more of it.
Really?
Yeah.
And now,
now.
half a yes, I am. तभी तो fitness वाली ड्रामेबाजी करने के लिए I'm live here. So of course, let me tell you, 37,100 people are already joined in, and yes, let's do the talking. And of course, yeah, Aaj you're looking too much of red. Is it like
No, actually, that's what's been happening here. I've been, my skin got very badly hurt during fan.
Oh.
With those prosthetics.
Okay.
So I put some cream to make it alright. So every time I put it and move around, everyone tells me, have you been to San Tropez? Have you come from some? Yeah, even day before yesterday I met someone at a party.
Yeah.
And I'm like, oh, where are you coming from? Which Caribbean country are you coming from and all? Because I've become like, it looks like tan. But I'll be back to my
that's nice.
handsome Goda self.
Oh, that's very, very nice. And because I thought that generally when I work out, करती हूँ, your face turns out to be red or something.
No, I've got this nonsense happening on my
That is super awesome. Okay, आज हम लोग यहाँ पे पूरी full on वाली fitness वाली ड्रामेबाजी करने वाले हैं. But I want Shahrukh to read few of the comments out there because people are going crazy to talk to you, and this is super awesome and super amazing and super fantastic things happening at the moment. And please, I would like कि आपने प्रॉमिस किया था हमसे कि लास्ट टाइम आप हमको एक नई जगह, अपने घर की नई जगह दिखाने वाले हैं. सो प्लीज लेट अस नो कि हम लोग इस टाइम कहाँ पे हैं.
Okay, you are in my little gym where I work out. और मैं दिन में at least 5 times a week or 4 times a week if I'm not working till very late. हालांकि मैं जिम जो है रात को 2:30-3 बजे करता हूँ, जब सब सो जाते हैं उसके बाद करता हूँ. एंड मेरे ट्रेनर हैं प्रशांत, बॉडी स्कल्पटर वाले, जो वी मेट अबाउट 20 years ago. एंड मेरे को चोट लगी हुई थी. आई वाज शूटिंग देवदास एंड ही यूज्ड टू लुक आफ्टर अ स्पा and very sweetly open it for me at 3 in the morning.
Oh, that is
So I used to go and work out with him, and then we both grew together. He opened a gym and he trains me. वो अपना बेचारा बॉडी स्कल्पटर जिम बंद करके यहाँ के सो जाता है here. He comes and sleeps on this bench. I have a bench. Okay, yeah, this is the bench. I don't ever use a bench press. I can't because मेरे shoulders जो हैं बहुत injured हैं. So this bench is for Prashant to come and sleep. वो यहाँ सो जाता है रात को 12-1 बजे आके, और फिर मैं 2:30-3 बजे आके उसको उठाता हूँ और उसके बाद हम जिम शुरू करते हैं.
That is
What is your workout?
My workout, I am like मेरा तो cheated workout रहता है थोड़ा बहुत because I'm too much into my live beams and all the whole day. So 2 kilometers, 2 to 3 kilometers of running, and then उसके बाद थोड़ा सा diet, and I am more into cardio actually, and free hand exercises.
Okay, I can't do too much cardio. I have a broken patella, and so I can't run too hard, and I find it very boring.
Okay.
But मैं cycling करता हूँ आजकल because of my patella.
Oh, that's nice.
I've cracked the system here. If you want to see.
Yes, for
मैं इसके
sure.
ऊपर अपना iPad लगाता हूँ.
Okay.
That's the only way I can cycle. I've heard everyone does it like this. If you wear this, what you're seeing here.
Can I?
Yeah. Okay. So if you wear this, this is about 8 to 10 kgs. So your workout becomes 10 times more difficult. Whenever I feel I've gone fat, which is always, I quickly wear this and I run. Though normally I don't get fat, I kind of remain like this one. But I put my iPad here, और मैं Breaking Bad और Night Manager और The Night Of, जो मेरे आजकल favorites हैं, वो देखता हूँ, so I can pass out 1 hour. Otherwise I can never do it on this machine.
So cycling is your favorite, and please.
No, cycling is not my favorite. I hate it, but I have to do it for my patella.
Oh.
So I have to do half an hour every day.
Okay, so I would love to ask you, like, बचपन में आपको ये workout करा करते थे? At what age you started working out?
I started working out जब मैंने ये film की, Darde Disco.
Oh,
It's the only time I worked out in my life.
Shanti Om. So that was
That's the first time. That's why I have pictures of that. I don't have pictures of Happy New Year.
Okay.
But my body was much better then. Yeah. But this is the only picture I have. मैं पहले ऋतिक रोशन की पिक्चर लगा रहा था मेरे जिम के अंदर. हमने जिम लिया था मैं हम प्रशांत के साथ 20 साल पहले, और हमारे पास एक फोटो थी डब्बू रखवानी की जिसमें ऋतिक जो है सस्पेंडर्स के साथ ऐसा खड़ा हुआ है, बॉडी दिखाता हुआ. सो वी यूज्ड टू कीप दिस पिक्चर. एंड हालांकि डुगू को वर्कआउट मैंने शुरू करवाया, सो मैंने उससे कहा कि मैं तेरी फोटो लगाता हूँ, मैं ट्राइंग टू हैव अ बॉडी लाइक हिज. आई डोंट हैव इट, आई एम स्टिल ट्राइंग, but this is the first time I worked out. So Om Shanti Om was how many years ago?
2008.
2008.
So 8 years ago. I've never worked out before that. I was an athlete. I used to run 20 kilometers a day
Okay.
on the roads.
Okay.
Or I'd never worked out except push-ups, monkey bars, and pull-ups. But because of my injuries, there are a lot of things I can't do. So I have to do it very controlled. इसलिए कोई भी मुझे बोलता है excuse मेरी कमर में दर्द है, मेरे को चोट लगी है. I find it so stupid because I have 9 surgeries and I have every body part. Both of my shoulders have 3 screws in them. I have a titanium disc. I have a broken patella. My ankle is hurt. My toes gone. I broke this bone once in a shooting, and I have 3 ribs which were fractured. So I find it very wrong. जब लोग
And
मुझे
still
बोलते
you
हैं-
work out.
Yeah, because I find it very wrong when people tell me we don't work out because मेरी back में दर्द है और मेरे पैर में दर्द है. I think you should work out. Whatever is your workout. Whatever is your workout. I work out only 20 minutes.
20 minutes, that's it.
20-25.
Okay, and if I talk about your school time, were you into any sort of sports like basketball, football, cricket, or anything like that?
I was an athlete.
Uh-huh.
I used to run the 100 meters, 200 meters. I've run the 2-mile run with the army jawans in National Stadium. I'd come second, not run. वो बेचारे obviously वो बंदूक के साथ होते थे, हम बिना उसके. National Stadium के around. I used to be a football player, a field hockey player, a cricket player. I wanted to be a sportsman,
Wow.
but I couldn't be. So I still continue. I play sometimes in my garden outside.
Okay.
I can't swim too well. That's one sport. The only sport I don't know is horse riding, which I think is wrong. Anything to do with animals is wrong. So I don't do it. And swimming, I don't know. I don't know too well. मैं ऐसे डूब जाता हूँ.
That's super awesome. अच्छा, आपने कभी क्रिकेट खेला है अपने टीममेट्स के साथ? क्या किया है? कभी मतलब सेशंस में, प्रैक्टिस सेशंस में, एनी टाइम?
Yeah, I have bowled to them in the nets, and I have batted to Yusuf Pathan. And yeah, we've done some matches, but वो level बहुत ही अलग है. And I went in without practice. It's very dehydrating. That stadium is very dehydrating.
Okay.
So it kind of it's difficult to play with them because it's really tiring. But I played with them.
That's very nice. Actually, you have a huge gym at your place, right? Apart from you, who else in your family is like too much into gymming and working out? कौन आता है यहाँ पे workout?
Yeah, actually बहुत सारे दोस्त भी आते हैं, सब घर वाले आते हैं at
Okay.
different times. I think Aryan when he does his taekwondo, he comes here. Suhana does a ballet here, and Gauri also comes here. Everyone, sometime or the other, keeps dropping.
So Gauri is also a fitness freak.
No, not that much. Not like fix a time or something.
Okay.
There's no fitness freak in a house. But they all come to the gym at some time or the other, whenever they feel like. But ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि किसी का regimen है और करते ही करते हैं. So
Okay.
you'll find even friends here, a lot of friends from who live in Bandra. They'll drop in, and everyone just keeps coming in and using it. But ऐसा किसी का नहीं है कि आज 1 घंटा वर्क
करना ही करना
ऐसा कोई
है,
नहीं है.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Alright, अच्छा, अपार्ट फ्रॉम लाइक आपके इतने सारे को एक्टर्स हैं जिन्होंने इतनी बार वेट लूज किया है, वेट गेन किया है फॉर सर्टन अमाउंट ऑफ रोल्स एंड बहुत अलग अलग तरीके के रोल्स के लिए. सो हम आपको ये करते हुए कब देखने वाले हैं?
और वो यार वो बड़ा सीरियस होता है जैसे आमिर करता है, वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. आई रिमेंबर वो वाज हियर द अदर डे एंड बड़ी स्ट्रिक्ट है वो. यू नीड लॉट ऑफ डिसिप्लिन फॉर दैट. सो आई एम वेरी डिसिप्लिन. For 2 years to put on weight. When he had put on weight, I met him, and when he was losing, and we were sitting together one night. And bada he fixed diet hai, and he's disciplined to do it.
Okay.
I don't think I can ever do it. And would like to see me fat.
No, of course not.
Actually, it's okay even if I'm fat. Yeah. Maybe some film I'll try.
Alright, so I have lots and lots of questions that are permanent on our Facebook. Fans of #fame, that's the page. So I have Nasrina Ali's question, who's asking you, वो कौन से मौके होते हैं जब आप you're always like बाहर में जाए यार, डाइटिंग शाइटिंग मैं नहीं कर सकता, मुझे तो ये चीज़ खानी ही खानी है. So any occasion जब आपको ऐसा लगता है?
मैं डाइट नहीं करता. नसरीना
नसरीना अली.
नहीं, नसरीना अली मैं डाइट नहीं करता हूँ. मैं वैसे ही बड़ा नॉर्मल खाना खाता हूँ. मैं दिन में 2 बार खाना खाता हूँ और उसके बीच में मैं बिल्कुल खाना नहीं खाता हूँ. मैं लंच करता हूँ और डिनर करता हूँ और मेरा बहुत ही एकदम बड़ा फ्रूगल सा खाना है. आई एम नॉट बचपन से. इट्स नॉट दैट आई डू इट एज डाइट, बट मुझे पकवान पसंद ही नहीं, तो मैं रेस्टोरेंट्स में भी नहीं खाता. मैं पार्टी पे भी जाता हूँ तो घर में खा के जाता हूँ. और मुझे लोगों के सामने खाना खाने में शर्म आती है. सो आई फील वेरी शाई ईटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ पीपल बिकॉज लोग
Pictures
लेके
please
रहते
रहते
हैं.
हैं. It's just like शादी वाला situation, where
Yeah,
everyone
you
there is
get
a
a picture,
camera.
like that, and stuff in your mouth. So I don't eat outside. और मैं बहुत basic sprouts खाता हूँ. ग्रिल्ड चिकन खाता हूँ, ब्रोकली खाता हूँ, और समटाइम्स अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ दाल।
Okay.
और यही मैं बार बार खाता हूँ, लगातार खाता हूँ, हमेशा खाता हूँ, दिन में 2 बार खाता हूँ, पूरा साल यही खाता हूँ।
अच्छा।
सो माई डाइट इज नॉट, बट इफ आई एम इन अ प्लेन और अगर मैं किसी दोस्त के घर बैठा हूँ, उन्होंने खाना किया है, so whatever they have, whether they have biryani, whether they have roti, whether they have parathas, whether they have ghee, whether they have whatever it may be, lassi, I'll have it.
Wow.
I don't have a diet otherwise.
That is so, तो मतलब ऐसी एक चीज़ जिसकी आपको खाने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा क्रेविंग हुई हो कि यार मुझे ये मटन या चिकन या ये लस्सी खाना ही खाना है, कभी ऐसा कोई मोमेंट रहा हो? You have been craving for food कि यार I want to have that.
I only eat chola bhaturas when I'm in Delhi. That's all.
Ah, that's
the only
nice.
thing I like.
Any specific place or?
No, anywhere. I mean, I must be Bengali market जब मैं छोटा था. So whoever in Delhi will understand that. Or Evergreen, जब मैं Green Park में रहता था. But otherwise now I go and stay in a hotel, so जहाँ पे भी मिल जाए.
Wow, so a hi to all the Delhiites because then
Yeah, to all the Delhiites and all the chola bhaturas.
all the chola bhatura people were watching you from Malaysia and I mean across the globe. I was like, whoa, what an aura this man carries, yeah. And especially this is for the first ever time जब आपकी फिटनेस के बारे में हम लोग यहाँ पे बात कर रहे हैं on #fame. Actually इन्होंने अपना प्रॉमिस यहाँ पे रखा है, अपना पूरे हमको एक नई जगह पे लेके आए हैं, मन्नत के itself the gym पे यहाँ पे हम लोग आए हैं. And भूमिका, she is asking वो कौन सा रोल था जिसने आपकी फिजिकली पूरी बैंड बजा दी? Well, like yeah.
भूमिका 2-3 रोल्स ऐसे थे. Physically tiring. Fan was physically very tiring because there was a lot of running and every time doing 2 roles with the makeup 6 hours, then running, then taking it off and then running behind me, and that was very very difficult. And I was injured also. Then physically tiring, I think Koyla was very tiring क्योंकि अरुणाचल प्रदेश में थी, बहुत ठंड थी, -10 and wind chill factor, and I was just मैं सिर्फ एक वो पहनी हुई थी, टाट पहनी हुई थी मैंने, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, गनी बैग, जूट का गनी बैग, so मेरी शर्ट जो है गनी बैग की बनी हुई थी, टाट की. So it was very cold. That was difficult on me physically, and others are difficult when you're doing action and stuff, but these two were really difficult. Physically they were very very tiring, very tiring, because वहाँ पे बहुत ठंड थी and you have to pack up at 4 in the evening, and it's like in mountains and rain and very difficult.
Super यार. Sana from Morocco and Lina, they have asked you कि आपके वर्कआउट के लिए कौन सा टाइम, मतलब आप सबसे प्रेफरेबल टाइम आपका कौन सा है for doing the workout?
It's post midnight. मैं उससे पहले वर्कआउट नहीं करता. लेकिन आज I'm flying to Munich से, so my flight is at like say 12:30. So tonight I might do it at 10 o'clock. But otherwise it's post 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. I work out at about 2, finish off and everything by 3:15. Then I have dinner and then sleep.
OMG, तो मतलब रात में जब लोग सब सोते हैं ये यहाँ पे वर्कआउट करते हैं. So that's how you look like that much fit?
Because I don't sleep. Earlier I used to just sit down and watch TV or read a book. Then I decided some time back, why waste the time? Might as well work out, and then you have the whole day to do #fame chat.
That is super awesome. Lina is asking your favorite gymming equipment. Which one is your favorite? So I think we have so many equipments out here. Favorite number 1, favorite number 2, favorite number 3.
I don't know. I like this. I'll show you. I like my pull-up bar. So I enjoy this a lot. But I don't jump up and do it because my shoulder hurts. So yeah, I like my pull-up bar. And this is for abs. I'm sure जो करते हैं इनको मालूम होगा. So I like this part. So I do this a lot, and this is for lower abs, like in happy movement. So you just raise it and keep it there as long as you can. So this I like. This is my favorite exercise. Then second is this. When I'm really badly injured, then these machines are quite awesome actually. I don't know if it will work just now. So you just press it here. And you just hold it, and it shivers like that, and then you can do if you're injured. So this is so it shakes. I don't know if you can make out if it's shaking or not. So you have to hold it tight. This is my second favorite, and yeah, I like this. These push-up. I don't know what they call it. these perfect push-ups because they can, you can turn them around and go right in and put yourself up. So not that I have a great chest, but this is what I like. That's it. And everything else.
And then let's go that side of the gym and make you have a look at the gym.
Actually, yeah, I like this ab machine also.
Okay.
And this one is for lower back. If you want to go up and down and stuff.
Shout out to 50,000 people. Whoa!
So I say shout out.
50,000
Shout out to 50,000 people. But the gear machines are, I don't use the chest press. Like I said, I use dumbbells actually. I can't use anything with bars because my shoulder hurts, so I can't use it at all. So I use mostly this dumbbell rack, and just to impress you, I can do up to 90. I mean, but I don't lift too much heavy weight. Normally my weight is about 30 to 40 is what I do. I'm not very macho.
Okay, 30 to 40 kgs you can
No, pounds.
Oh,
Pounds,
oh.
I don't do kgs.
Okay, that's
Be
super.
careful for that.
Yes, that's super awesome. I was having a look at those posters out there, and everyone, I would love to have a look at those posters. There is, I think this is the time to आपने workout करना start किया था.
Yeah, that's the only reason I have this picture. But I think I was fitter and happy here.
Okay.
But yeah, this was the first time I worked out for about 4 months. And actually this is the first or second picture that we took. We went on the set. और मैं सब पानी में से निकलता हूँ heroine की तरह.
Yes.
So that was the first time I built a body.
Okay.
And so I have the pictures here, but I don't have Happy New Year. I think that time I was really fit. Happy New Year was very extreme fitness.
Shahzad is asking something related to this only. He is asking that what is your opinion about the six-pack abs? And you did it last for the disco.
I don't think girls like six-pack abs. It's a myth. I just did it because everybody has big biceps and shoulders and stuff like that. So I wanted to do something different. And I think I'm not judging, but having a thin stomach is nice. I find it attractive in a man and a woman. So I kept on doing it, and एक दिन मैं ऐसे ही खड़ा हुआ था यहाँ पे, and नया iPhone आया था. So I remember मैंने ऐसे अपनी photo ली, T-shirt उठा के, and suddenly I had this ripped six-pack. So I got very encouraged. So I have 8 packs. I'm not showing off. Different people have different packs. Some may have 6, some may have 8.
Some family pack.
Yeah, family pack. So it's not a big deal. Yeah. When you're working out, मैं कोई ऐसा नहीं करता extra abs के लिए करता हूँ. But yeah, now I'm trying to do a different kind of. I'm bored of the 8 pack. और फिर मैं को इंटरनेट पे ना किसी ने एक फोटो मेरी लगा दी, मैं कॉकरोच लग रहा हूँ because इतने सारे मेरे cuts थे. So I want to do a different kind of ab situation now.
Okay.
So I'm doing some different exercises because I just want it to be thin and lean and not show off the abs. थोड़े से ना unattractive लगते हैं मुझे.
हाँ.
I find them unattractive myself when I say, क्या हो गया ऐसा? And when you take a bath, then the water goes over like it's going over rocks.
Okay, that is nice. Okay, I have Rasika from Pune who's asking me कि क्या आप कभी भेष बदल के सड़कों पर पाए जाते हैं?
हाँ, whenever you catch Pikachu on Pokemon Go, that's me.
Really?
No, I don't know.
No, but still, have you ever done something like this?
My daughter wanted to shop one day, and I said, I'll drive you. And she said, no, you'll be recognized.
Okay.
So I said, no, in a hoodie, nobody can recognize me. I had a beard. But even before I got out of my car, there were like hundreds of people. So my daughter said, there's a way you walk, it gives you away. So you can never disguise yourself.
So that's a Shah Rukh Khan wala walk.
I don't know. I thought I was acting very well. But I failed miserably, so no, I don't go out.
Okay, Sapna watching live from Bangalore also. I'm pretty much sure she's watching. She's, put this question on fans of #fame. A stunt in a film scene that you are most proud of. कि यार ये मैंने कर लिया. I've done this. Yes. ऐसा करके.
मतलब प्राउड तो नहीं था, मैं बहुत डर गया था. कोयला के अंदर I put fire to myself. वो real fire. और I got all singed here in the back, but it was very scary. I shouldn't have done it. But I'm running with fire, and that's real fire. अब तो खैर हम VFX से कर लेते हैं, like Om Shanti Om now.
Okay.
But that was real fire, and very few people in the world do it without the fire protection. So मैंने सिर्फ लुंगी सलवार पहना हुआ है और वही टाट है. और you put a gel जो आपको जलने से 30 सेकंड तक बचा सकता है. So I have gel on my hands, and then they put fire and I've run. It's very difficult. Normally wear there's a fireproof suit, but no, I did it without that. So I'm very proud of that. I don't ever do it at home, and you should not try it. It's stupid. It was really stupid because I thought if I'll be running, तो हवा ये आग पीछे जाएगा, मुंह के सामने नहीं आएगा. But the wind changed from the side, so it came in front of me, and I got really scared. So I jumped down, and then they stopped it with CO2 and stuff.
Oh, yeah, so I mean, ये जो warning
Yeah,
आपने
don't do
अभी
it.
दी है,
Please don't do it.
please
Don't.
don't
Yeah,
do it.
fire is very dangerous.
Okay, this was तो about the stunt, लेकिन आज हम यहाँ पे fitness के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Anything that you want to tell all of the people who are fitness freaks that gym में आपको यार ये चीज़ें तो नहीं करनी चाहिए.
जिम में म्यूजिक नहीं सुनना चाहिए, जिम में टेलीफोन पे बात नहीं करनी चाहिए, जिम में गपशप नहीं करनी चाहिए. नॉर्मली जिम ऐसी जगह है जो मुझे लगता नहीं बहुत सारे लोग एंजॉय करते हैं. यू नो इट्स ऑलवेज अ God, I have to do gym. Then we start saying things like, you know, when I hear people say, oh God, I'm really enjoying going to the gym for 2 hours, then you might as well go to a bar or to a restaurant and hang with friends. Gym should be done in 30 minutes, unless you're running for 30 minutes or you have your own program, whatever. But you should not talk to anyone, you should not listen to music, you should not have the AC on, and you should just work out one after the other and get the hell out of that. You should not, I'm sure everybody has their own method, everybody listens to music, everybody. It's not a place to go and enjoy, it's a place to go and punish your body into shape. So that's the only thing I can tell you. And no ACs, sweat, quickly work out, do as much as you can so that you're so tired and keep drinking a lot of water. And I do nothing else. मैं कोई ऐसी protein shake नहीं पीता हूँ. मैं ज़्यादा music सुन के I know people जो running type music होता है, workout type music होता है, and I heard people say, put that one on, man, I'm gonna pump iron and all. If it works for you, good, but that's just my suggestion. Half an hour in a gym, start to finish, 30 minutes, sweating out of it.
So it's a silent gym, that's why no music in your gym at all.
No, there is music. I mean, you can play music if you want.
No, मतलब आप gymming करते हुए you're not into too much of music listening to music.
No, I don't
concentrate.
music. I don't use the phone. I don't talk to anyone. I lock this door.
Okay.
I look at that watch. It's like it was 6 o'clock.
Okay.
I know at 6:30 I'm out of here.
Okay.
And suppose I've done, अगर मैंने 6 exercise की थी कल आधे घंटे में, then I try to do 7.
Okay.
If I can do 7, then I do 8. Then I do 9. It's like that. Or more reps. I don't increase the weight or change the exercise.
ऐसा I would love to know about this door. What is this door all about? आपने जिम की सारी चीज़ों के बारे में हमको बताया. And this door
This
connects
leads to the movie theater in the house.
Wow.
And then it goes on to the terrace. This is the old house. So from here, I don't know why it's like this. Actually, the entrance is from there, but mostly people go from here. ऐसा कुछ आइडिया था कि वर्कआउट करेंगे, मूवी देखेंगे, फिर मूवी के बीच में आके वर्कआउट करेंगे. But yeah, this is the movie theater.
That was the idea. Just
I don't think so. I think that was the only place you could make the theater, and the gym was already here.
That's super nice. Acha, Rishabh from Cartoon has asked a very interesting question, and this is like, you know, Kerala is the first state to impose fat tax on junk food in order to, you know, counter rising obesity. So, what do you think about this kind of initiative? Can be actually a boon for the society? Can be a boon for the society?
I'm not going to get into any governmental decisions and what people do. God bless them, do very well. But I think I think see, being healthy is your own personal choice. I'm 51. I'll be in 3-4 months. I like to be healthy. When I say healthy, of course I smoke, which is wrong. I have very bad habits, which is wrong. I have too much black coffee, which is wrong. But in my own sensibility, मैं सोचता रहता हूँ कि I should remain healthy. It's a personal decision. और आप कितना भी मैं आपको मना कर लूँ, मैं आपको बैन कर दूँ किसी चीज़ खाने से, आप पे टैक्स लगा दूँ, अगर आपको खाना है तो आप खाएंगे. So you have to do it personally for yourself. Try and be healthy. Whatever works for you. I'm not saying don't have chocolate. I'm not saying don't have a burger. I'm not saying don't have chola bhaturas. Have whatever you feel like, but try and exercise it out. Best if you are playing a sport. अगर आप squash खेलते हैं, football खेलते हैं, hockey खेलते हैं, anything. If you can do that for an hour, fantastic. You don't even have to work out. I think this is quite synthetic to work out and make muscles. It's not really the healthiest thing to do. But I have no other choice because मैं काम करता हूँ रात को game खेलना. So I try to play it still. But swim, run, play games, much better. And eat in how do you say?
Compressed form, sort of.
Moderation.
Moderation, yeah. Eat in moderation. एक तरीका है अगर आप ज़मीन पर बैठ के खाना खाएं, चौकड़ी मार के जैसे पुराने लोग खाते हैं, जैसे नीचे दस्तरखाना है ज़मीन पर बैठ के लोग भोजन करते हैं, तो अगर आप वैसा करें तो 1/3 स्टमक दब जाता है, तो वैसे ही कम खाना खाया करें. So that's one thing.
So do you actually do the same thing?
मैं अगर बैठ कर खाऊंगा
चौक खड़ी बैठ के.
हाँ, मैं खाना शुरू करूँ तो मैं बिल्कुल नहीं खाऊंगा, मैं वैसे ही इतना खाता हूँ. मैं बैठ के खाने लगा तो कुछ भी नहीं खाऊंगा मैं.
Alright, I have something very special for you. So can we have that? I have. This game is called as Never Have I Ever. You've heard about this one. Right? Last time मैं आपके लिए डायलॉग की मैशअप लेके आई थी, डायलॉग वाली डायलॉग बाजी हमने करी थी. Now this time just called as Never Have I Ever. Okay. So you have to hold this one. Okay. This is I have and this is I have not. कुछ questions मैं आपसे पूछने वाली
So
हूँ.
you say never have I ever.
No, this is like मैं आपसे पूछने वाली हूँ. Have you ever done something?
So I say I have or
Yes.
I have.
I have not.
Okay.
Okay, so this is
As you
as
notice, I'm beautiful and brainy. कितना जल्दी समझ गया.
that is super awesome. Okay, now the first question for you is dun, 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 dun. Okay, some of the music effects. Is have you ever secretly checked out someone at the gym? Might be at this is like आपके school time पे, आपके college time पे, when you were not like that. इतना ऐसा के कभी भी.
No, I'm not. I don't look at men or women in gym clothes. I find it very awkward. I'm very shy.
Okay.
So I'm sure. मैं actually public gym में जाता ही नहीं. So and I'm very shy. I would never. And I don't have how to explain this. I don't have that vibe in me to check out boys or girls or see what girl is looking like. मैं जब बहुत छोटा था तो हमारे दिल्ली में ऐसे लड़के खड़े होते थे लड़कियों को चेक आउट करने के लिए ऐसे all stand look at the girls. I've never stood like that. I'm open. And I would tell all the boys also not to do it.
Okay.
It's not
So
nice.
never.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
I mean, you should appreciate girls. You should compliment girls. If you find someone beautiful, go up to her and say. But standing in, मतलब ये थोड़ा सा weird लगता है. This looking at a girl with an eyebrow raised, not cool.
That's so I've never done that. According to this is have you ever clicked a gym feed with your bare chest and not shared it on social media?
Yeah, also. Yesterday only my.
Done that. This is nice. So I have.
I don't share pictures from the gym. I find it odd, but let me see.
From his phone, he has done that.
Yeah, no, my gym instructor took it yesterday.
Oh wow, Prashant.
Prashant and Rohan. Can you tell? Yeah. But I'm so cool. I'm just wiping my face with the towel. The muscles are popping out. Yeah.
That is so. You
But I
have.
know. Yeah. He told me yesterday I should. So now I have. But I have not before this because he said I should to see the difference it makes every day.
Okay. Okay, so this is like, have you ever, cheated the gym diet, which is diet आपकी जितनी भी है, which is being provided to you by your trainer?
I don't have a diet.
Okay.
So I have not.
Okay. Okay. Have you ever got distracted by what's on TV? Because generally क्या होता है जब जिम में लोग होते हैं ना तो they are like TV देखते देखते अच्छा and it has happened with me. सामने वो TV चल रहा था and I was like something very interesting and करके it happened with me. So might be any sort of distraction that has ever happened with you.
I mean, I'll keep doing it. So I'll say I have, but I have not. I mean, I'm somewhere in the middle. Because KKR is playing, I'm watching the match.
Okay.
So when they're losing, then I have not been distracted. I try to ignore it. But when they're winning, then I have been. And sometimes, World Cup football, especially the last one when Brazil lost, I think 7-0, I was very distracted, very disturbed. So I just sat down because Brazil losing, I think 7-0 to Germany. I'm not too sure. Okay. That was a very sad moment for me. So I was gymming and I said, they'll come back. And then suddenly they started losing some of this TV. Yeah. But not too often. I don't put on the TV like I said.
TV and music, so no distractions at all. But still, at
yeah,
times. Somewhere in the middle. Yeah. Okay. Then the next one is, I'm pretty much sure, do you work out अपने trainer के साथ कभी आप दोनों का competition होता है तो आप लोगों आपने कभी ऐसा किया है कि साइड वाले की मतलब आपके इंस्ट्रक्टर की मशीन में देखा है कि अरे यार तूने तो इतने कैलोरीज बर्न कर लिए लेकिन मैंने नहीं किया might be comparison उनके साथ कभी.
Yeah, nobody can keep up with me. If you compete with me in the gym, I'll kill you. You can't compete with me in the gym. I mean, yeah, if you come cycling with me or if you tell me I'm going to do 100 abs, I'll do 200. I'm very competitive, so I have not looked at anybody else, but they might have and they won't be able to keep up with me. Any exercise you tell me, I can fight it out with anyone. Of course, ऐसा नहीं कि मैं मुश्तन्ना हूँ बहुत सारा वेट उठा लूँगा, but if you are competing with me, ऐसे मैं 20 करूँगा तो मैं 21 करता हूँ. And Aryan's friends come sometime. Then they do, young boys, they like, can we lift this up? I have not competed, and एक rule है मेरा, compete नहीं करने का। अगर मुंह से आवाज if you do these noises, please, it's very caveman like.
That was my next question, that you have ever made such type of noise. People are like, we are ऐसा
No, grunting is for hunting, and we come here for workout. Do it nicely, look nice. As a matter of fact, gym में you should look the coolest. ये कुछ कर ही नहीं रहे. You should be sweating, you should be sexy, and you should be cool. All this आवाज़ करने में तो मैं जिम में गया था एक दोस्त के, उसने मुझे बुलाया, मैं नाम नहीं बुलाऊंगा, उसने कहा यार जिम करने को आजा भी, तो उसे 4 घंटे तो उन्होंने इतनी आवाज़ निकाली, I thought I was in some, I was in a zoo full of gorillas. And they don't even need it, and they make so much noise, and then they throw the weight, like that and all. No, the weight should be kept nicely. You should do it gently. If you can't do it, don't do it. Nobody's judging you. Please don't pick up weights that make sound emanate. And I've heard big boys take out sound like very uncool, very unsexy. Don't work out like that, please.
Yes. So for all the guys who are watching out there, अगर इस तरीके की चीजें आप जिम में करते हैं, better don't do that. So I have.
And one more thing. Turn here. Don't look into the mirror and talk to yourself. Go. All this nonsense don't do it.
Self-motivated.
Self-motivation खड़े हो गए अपने आप को मिरर में आवाज देना बिल्कुल नहीं करना. बिल्कुल.
Alright, अच्छा आपके साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ है? Have you ever missed your gymming? कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा super lazy उस दिन feel कर रहे हो and you are like on the bed और ऐसा कुछ?
Yeah, I have. But फिर भी मैं just to feel less guilty, I come and just take a round and go back. I just come to the gym, look around, say hi to all the machines and say sorry and go back.
So he's somewhere.
Yeah, not tonight, darling. I want to.
So he's somewhere in the middle for both I have and I have not.
No, but I've been lazy and Mr. Jim when I'm waiting.
So that's super nice. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
this one. I hope you love this. And all the guys who must be. How many people watching us live from across the globe?
67,000 people.
67,000 people
And all the
watching.
grunters must be getting so angry right now.
Alright, this is something very super cool. So I think we should give him the camera, and there were like so many people. And Shahrukh, I would love to share few things with you. कल मेरे Instagram पे पूरा भौकाल मच गया था. You know, this भौकाल, and there were like few people. Roar SRK, she's got a tattoo done. आपका face अपने arm पे.
You.
Yes.
So,
Roar SRK.
Roar SRK. Thank you very much. I don't know. Send me a picture. Let me see. Is
Yes.
it looks like me?
Yeah, it looks like you. In fact, I'll show you the picture also. But meanwhile, I would love to, take few of the names those people have been getting crazy. Joy SRKN, Christina, Raghat, and
Hi,
Shweta.
Shweta. So what do you like to have in breakfast, and do you take supplements? I take aminos, but I don't have breakfast now.
Okay. And sir, do you know the meaning of my name, Shelab?
Shelab.
Shelab.
तेरे को तो मालूम है, तुझे अच्छी हिंदी आती है.
मेरे को इतनी अच्छी, मैं इतना वैसा वाला, मेरे को इंग्लिश बहुत अच्छी आती है. I'm very good at English.
Love Shelab. नहीं यार Shelab. Really sorry.
Okay. So I am Amut Mok. Lots of love from Jaipur. Uttam इनका नाम है.
उत्तम आता है मुझे. अति उत्तम.
Okay. So sir, please say hello, Shweta.
हाँ श्वेता को मैंने बोल दिया. Hello Shweta.
Okay, so ji, please start booking movie release dates of your movies in advance.
हाँ तेरे को बुला लेता हूँ, मेरा एडवाइजर बन जा तू.
Udit Dev is asking me.
ये रिलीज डेट होनी चाहिए, ये होनी चाहिए. बहुत सारे लोग लिखते हो यार.
Yeah.
मैं I'm gonna call you next time for even the story sessions and everything. Thank you very much.
Okay, Udit Dev is asking when is releasing.
It's releasing on one of the Fridays. It will be there. 26th Jan.
Okay. Hi SRK, I'm Itnan, big fan. What is the secret behind your energy? Can you say us, please? Love from Hyderabad.
Thank you Hyderabad and thank you Adnan. Energy यार ऐसे I like what I do. It's no big deal. Actually ना ये सब बात बन गई है मुझ में energy ऐसा कुछ बड़ी बात नहीं है. मैं ऐसे normal सा हूँ actually.
Okay. I'm Javed from Aurangabad. Sir, what you usually like to have?
हाँ
in
मैंने बोला
breakfast?
जावेद को मैं aminos लेता हूँ. BCAA sometimes और no protein shakes and no I don't have breakfast.
Okay, they're watching you from Mecca. I love you, Renat. Just one time, lots of love from Mecca.
Thank you Renat and Assalamu alaikum and lots of love to you.
So you are such a famous superstar. Are you thinking to have at least one day of a normal person?
Actually, if I'm not working, when you see me in movies and functions, then I'm performing, so I'm being someone else. Otherwise, I'm extremely normal.
That is super nice. Summer, sir, please start. Okay, this is commenting again and again. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? समर की हो गया तोनू यार ऐ दसो मैनू ओके एंड फॉर ऑल द पीपल बिकॉज बहुत सारे कमेंट्स आए थे ऑन फैंस ऑफ #fame family पर सो आई थिंक यू शुड से अ हाई टू ऑल ऑफ देम फॉर ऑल द पीपल बिकॉज इट्स नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल लाइक लैक्स
Okay,
कमेंट्स
hi to everyone on #fame family who keep coming on #fame
Yes.
and talking to me. This is really fun actually. I hope I can reach out to as many of you as possible in the small time that we get, the window that we get. And like I said, I keep coming back so that I can talk more to you whenever I get a chance.
Okay, can I be your trainer? Shweta is asking.
Do I know nothing about fit? Oh, of course. That's the kind of trainer I want. Yeah. Sure.
Okay, so can I get a hi from you? SRK. You know what? यहाँ पे बहुत एक स्पेशल चीज़ हुई है जिन्होंने लोगों ने अपने हैंडल नेम ना SRK के नाम पे ही रखे हैं. SRK is Rakesh.
हाँ.
SRK is
Hi,
Universe.
Rakesh, SRK is Rakesh, and SRK is Universe, and all of you who are saying hi.
For all the puppies in the chat, we love you so much. Love you from Bangkok. And Pritika love SRK.
Hi,
Okay,
Pritika.
love
Thank you
So
very
दोबारा
much.
से?
Love you, Pritika.
Okay, PU SRK. Can you see the names, yaar? With the
Hi,
name of.
PB, SRK. How are you?
All
Show your abs.
Oh.
Literally, I show them only on Google.
Okay, any जाने से पहले the fitness tip that I would love to give to all the people, all the 69,000 people watching us live out
So all the
there.
69,000 people on #fame, eat well, exercise 20-30 minutes a day. No big deal to get abs and all. You'll get them. Don't try to work out for a certain kind of a body. Just keep working out, and you'll get the body. And be consistent. There is nothing more required than consistency in workout. And all the best. Be healthy. Eat healthy. Eat less. Eat healthy. And and all the health and all the love to you all.
सुपर नाइस. तो एक बार सबके लिए एक बार फ्लाइंग किसेस हो जाए है सबकी प्यार वाली जो पप्पी एकदम से वहाँ पे देते हो. लेकिन मेरा शाहरुख बाय कहने का स्टाइल एक दूसरा है. आई नो विस यू नो हाउ टू
No, I do it. Make the sound.
ओके
No, don't show that you can do it. Make the sound.
ओके आई एम गोइंग टू बी डूइंग इट 1 2 एंड
So at the count of 3,
ओके
I'll do a whistle.
1 2 एंड So that's the thing जो इन्होंने बनाई और अब ये साथ में भी कर लेते हैं so that actually people can know.
No, that I can also whistle, yeah.
Yeah, all right. So we're going to be doing
This one, I can do this
it.
one.
1 2 and.
Alright.
Thank you so much. So I hope you love the session and all the people who are watching live and sorry है जी अगर आपके comments हम लोग नहीं पढ़ पाए but for sure next time on #fame हम लोग कहाँ पे क्या भौकाल मचाने वाले हैं something very surprisingly coming for all the people. Yes.
Is it you guys decide where you want to take me? I'll come along with you. Let's go out to a restaurant or some cool place. I don't go out anywhere, so I'll request Fame to take me out somewhere. My management must be getting all stressed now.
All right, guys. So thank you so much, and this
Bye,
is
everyone. Thank you very much.
I am SRK on #fame signing off for the day.
Love you all. Bye bye. Have a good day.